Welcome to Science Solutions. Today we'll be featuring the Thermo Scientific ClipTip Pipette tips. ClipTip Pipette tips offer a secure, repeatable attachment engineered for a consistent delivery. And once clipped, the tip stays locked in place. This helps prevent the tips from slipping and popping off, supporting a consistent, reliable performance you can feel and hear. Thermo Scientific ClipTip Pipette tips support your science comfortably and effectively. Thank you for listening. Visit thermofisher.com/ClipTip for more information and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more science solutions.